So a lot of the plants are senescing, going to sleep for the fall, but you can still see a number of them up. So this is actually Gonalobus suberosus, better known as the milkweed vine. So and there's still some flowers back here that you can see, but this is a larval host for the monarch butterfly, and it's really adaptable to garden soils, and yet it is a threatened species and very rare in the wild. And so we cultivate it and research monarch utilization of it here, and we're also able to produce seeds, and we have probably produced about 2,000 plants that have been used for restoration or other conservation outreach activities throughout the Southeast. Red ring milkweed is a species that germinates and grows and flowers in spring. And so we're lucky to see the remnant vegetation that we do this late in the growing season. This was probably the most common milkweed in the Red Hills district of Tallahassee up until development and fire suppression. This is aquatic milkweed, Asclepias perennis, which they look quite denuded because they have been denuded at least 3 times this year by monarch caterpillars and some queen caterpillars. This species grows in dark, dank, riverine environments. However, it has proven to be a very important milkweed for monarch butterflies, and we're able to watch these, observe these, research these, and then propagate a lot of seeds from these that we've used to produce many thousands of plants used for outreach and restoration. And then this bed is the sandhill milkweed Asclepias humistrata bed. And if you look down here, you will see a number of juvenile sandhill milkweeds right here that are growing underneath this wiregrass. And so the reason why this bed has wiregrass in it is because a lot of our research has shown that juvenile milkweeds don't survive in high densities in the wild unless they have surrogate plant species that work to mitigate for rain and heat and other things. And these little plants can take 5 to 10 years to reach sexual maturity. And so you have to be able to maintain that environment for at least that long in order for them to reach a point that they can be useful for themselves and for monarch butterflies.